Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to change Shopify theme without losing content. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to online store, and then after that what you're gonna have to do is simply go here, and as you can see, if you want, you can use any of the free templates that Shopify provides us, or you can simply add your own theme. So as you can see, you can upload your zip file, or you can simply visit the theme store, and as you can see here, you're gonna get redirected to their marketplace where you can simply buy different themes. So as you can see, this one here is free. This one here costs 350 USD dollars. And as you can see, you can play around with any of these, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply select any of these and then simply click on try theme. Now after that, as you can see, it's gonna add this to our online store, and then we're gonna get redirected back to our dashboard, and we should have here our new theme. As you can see, now all we have to do is simply wait until this loads up and then simply click on the publish button here, and basically that's all. Now automatically all content will be basically reordered, rearranged for this specific theme, so you don't have to worry about. But of course you're gonna have to make some changes to see how your products looks and how your text, logos, icons look. So as you can see, now we have our new theme, and as you can see, this looks amazing. So of course you're gonna have to make some changes. So you're gonna have to go to customize and here rearrange or look to see if everything is all right. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.